All right, so again, the tough part about database design and system design is making all of these pieces kind of work together. It's kind of like you're a conductor, man. And I'm running into this problem here where in the last piece of code, I made address not really important. Okay? However, edit, redo, edit, redo, edit, redo. It's like actually, it is important, right? Because it's a dependency. That address field is a dependency in joining other tables. So without address, I can't just drop that column, man. So, man, what can I do? Okay, think, John, think. Can I make can I make that address column some sort of a composite column? We're gonna have to find out, man. Let me get the state of my database. We're going to start this export. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna go into dumps. We're gonna take a quick peekaroo. Okay, here is my database schema. How come I cannot drop address from locations without causing errors? Would it be possible to let address in the table column be some sort of automatically generated field, like a composite of the other of street, address, city, and state? Okay, all right, so address already exists. Can you update that SQL statement? All right, I guess we can try this and see how it goes. It worked. Okay, like that. It worked. And let's go in here. Let's edit some. Let's put some. You know, I might as well, just for good measure, restart the freaking server, just so I know what I'm actually testing. You guys can just see my face now because I'm hiding my keyboard. I don't want you guys to see all of this. All right, we'll go back. Okay, we're gonna go back into here and I'm gonna show you. How do we look? We look like this. Yeah, it worked. All right. That worked, no error. Uh, and then address is in there as some sort of a composite field. Wow, we fucking did it, dude. We fixed it. We fixed it, guys. Um, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, really. You know, those are again. I'm learning this as you guys are, but I have a tiniest little bit of background in systems design and development. I only have a master's degree and about 10 years of programming experience. So knowing that that's a that was a potential solution is like, though, if you didn't know that, you would have probably beat your head against the wall a handful of times. Uh, so I'm just kind of trying to show you the blind spots. I'm not bragging here. I'm just saying, like, there's one of the blind spots of ChatGPT, is that knowing what questions to ask it is still the number one most important thing you can do. So thank you for watching this episode. We have the locations adding function. I think that we should probably add location, and we should update the dashboard to show all of our locations and the proper information associated with them. That would just make this a little bit usable. So we'll do that in the next step. We'll just update the interface a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys.